This year at Moorepark' 2021, the One Health Village will showcase research on a variety of animal health and milk quality topics. The importance of calf health and heifer rearing is a feature this year, with boards covering calf housing, heifer rearing strategies, abomasal disorders and the animal health impacts of contract rearing versus home rearing ewe replacements. The latest results on selective dry cow therapy research will be presented, as well as how to achieve effective chlorine-free cleaning of milking equipment. Lameness is a significant animal health and welfare challenge on dairy farms, and we will present data on the prevalence of lameness in Irish dairy herds, as well as risk factors for lameness and the latest mobility sensor technology. Johne's disease and TB, two important infectious diseases in Ireland, will also feature in the village. Data on the performance of a new herd screening test for Johne's disease will be presented, as well as key statistics and risk reduction strategies for TB. In the One Health Village, there will be 2 forums each day on milk quality, dealing with producing milk free from TCM or chlorates, while also being of high bacteriological quality. On Wednesday morning, the ceremony celebrating the 2021 National Dairy Council and Kerrygold Quality Milk Awards will take place. It's hoped that the winner will be available to participate in these 2 forums. To attend the event, please register at www.teagasc.ie, and we look forward to seeing you on the day.